Hi, I'm Sarah Clark from Makeup with Sarah, and I'm going to tell you how to put on your makeup without help. Take notes on what I look like before and then what I look like after, and see the difference between my before and after pictures. First, we're going to start with eyeshadow. You grab the thing, next you close your eyes. At first it might seem like I have a black eye, but then you see how beautiful it looks. Lash Blast has a lot of volume. It will make your eyelashes look beautiful. I mean, this is beautiful. I mean, just look at the finished product. When people see how red your cheeks are, they can tell how active you are. Now brush it around very lightly, but don't make a ton of dust fly up. That is definitely a no-no. Now this is L'Oreal blush. I mean, most people can hardly even get this, but L'Oreal is starting to make it a bit more popular in their sales. Now it's time for one of the most important things of all, lipstick. This is Mary Kay lipstick, very nice. People can tell your personality with your lipstick. Just apply it on very, very lightly. Now these are sassy lips. So far we put mascara, eyeshadow, lipstick, blush on. Now there's only one thing left. Can you guess? You're right! It's the stuff that covers your ugly mole! So I've already unscrewed the cap. I mean, you hardly have to squeeze it for it to come out, so. Oh! See, it covers up every mole.
You have so many blemishes.
Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the before and after pictures. Makeup with Sarah is sponsored by Clark 4 News, a Michael Clark production. Thank you for watching this show, and I hope you have a great day. Now I'm going to show my family my makeup and see what their reactions are.
Oh, Sarah Clark.
Concealer. Now I'm going to show my sister my makeup. You're going to see my wonderful makeup job.
I already saw, oh my goodness, you look awful.